Welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial update that can significantly enhance your LinkedIn presence, adding or modifying your industry. This ensures you connect with the right people and opportunities. Let's get started. Scene opens with a screen recording of the LinkedIn app on a mobile device. First, open your LinkedIn app. You'll find the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. This will open up a menu where you can view your profile and access settings. Next, navigate to Settings. Once in Settings, look for Account Preferences. This section allows you to tweak various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Tap on it to proceed. Now, under Profile Information, you'll see an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Tap this to access and adjust these key details of your professional profile. To make changes, click on the Edit icon. This usually looks like a pencil and allows you to modify the information. Under the Industry section, you can now add or change your current industry. LinkedIn provides a comprehensive list to choose from. Simply start typing to search for the industry that best represents your professional background. If your industry isn't listed, if the industry you want to list is not currently available on LinkedIn, you can follow these steps to list it. 1. Research and identify a suitable category. Determine the closest category or industry on LinkedIn that closely aligns with the industry you want to list. Look for industries that share similar characteristics, skills, or job roles. 2. Choose a relevant title or description. Create a title or description that accurately represents the industry you want to list. Use clear and concise language to convey the nature of the industry and the work it encompasses. 3. Add the industry in the Experience section. Navigate to the Experience section of your LinkedIn profile and click on the plus icon to add a new position. Fill in the relevant details, including the job title, company, if applicable, and duration. In the Industry field, enter the closest category or industry available on LinkedIn that aligns with your desired industry. 4. Customize the job description. In the job description section, use this space to elaborate on your experience and expertise within the industry you want to list. Highlight specific projects, achievements, or skills that are relevant to the industry. 5. Utilize keywords. Incorporate industry-specific keywords and phrases throughout the job description to enhance the visibility of your profile in relevant searches. This will help others find you when they are specifically looking for professionals in that industry. Once you've selected the correct industry, click Save to update your LinkedIn profile with the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your industry on LinkedIn. This small change can make a big difference in how you appear to potential employers, collaborators, and connections. Keep your profile updated to present the best version of yourself.